For centuries, nations have sought to control the skies. From the first rudimentary attempts at flight to the development of advanced fighter jets, the quest for aerial dominance has been relentless. With air power comes the ability to strike quickly and decisively, shaping battlefields and influencing the course of history. But with this power comes vulnerability. Just as nations invest in offensive air capabilities, they must also prioritize their defense. This is where air defense systems come into play, acting as shields against airborne threats. Air defense systems are complex networks of radars, missiles, and command centers designed to detect, track, and neutralize hostile aircraft, missiles, and drones. They serve as a critical deterrent against air attacks, protecting vital infrastructure, military assets, and civilian populations. In an age where technological advancements constantly reshape the landscape of warfare, having a robust air defense system is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It is the invisible shield that safeguards a nation's sovereignty and ensures its security in an increasingly volatile world. In the realm of modern air defense, one system stands out for its sheer capability and technological sophistication: the Russian S-500 Prometheus. This cutting-edge system represents the pinnacle of air defense technology, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. Developed as a successor to the already formidable S-400, the S-500 takes air defense to unprecedented levels, offering unparalleled protection against a wide array of airborne threats. The S-500 is not merely an incremental upgrade but a generational leap forward. Its advanced radar systems, powerful missiles, and sophisticated command and control network make it the most capable air defense system ever deployed. With its ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously, including hypersonic missiles, stealth aircraft, and even satellites in low Earth orbit, the S-500 poses a formidable challenge to even the most advanced air forces in the world. Its deployment has sent ripples through the global defense community, signaling a new era in air defense technology. At the heart of the S-500's capabilities lies a suite of advanced technologies that set it apart from its predecessors and competitors. Its radar systems are designed to detect and track even the stealthiest of targets at incredible ranges. Utilizing a combination of long-range surveillance radar, X-band radar for target acquisition and tracking, and short-range engagement radar, the S-500 can create a comprehensive and highly accurate picture of the airspace. This allows it to detect and engage targets from hundreds of miles away, giving it an unprecedented reach. The S-500's arsenal of missiles is equally impressive. Armed with a variety of surface-to-air missiles, it can engage targets at various altitudes and ranges. Its 77 N6N and 77 N6N1 interceptor missiles are designed to engage ballistic missiles, while its 40 N6M missile can reach targets up to 400 kilometers away. This combination of advanced radar and missile technology makes the S-500 a truly multi-layered air defense system, capable of countering a wide spectrum of threats. The S-500's arrival has significant implications for the future of warfare. Its ability to effectively counter even the most advanced stealth aircraft raises questions about the viability of stealth technology as a means of penetrating heavily defended airspace. The system's ability to target hypersonic missiles also has far-reaching consequences, potentially altering the balance of power in regional conflicts. As the S-500's capabilities become fully understood, it is likely to have a profound impact on military strategy and doctrine. Nations with access to this technology will enjoy a significant advantage in any potential conflict, while those without it will be forced to develop new tactics and technologies to counter its capabilities. The S-500 is a game-changer in the world of air defense, ushering in a new era of high-stakes technological competition among the world's military powers.